How do I reset my Capitec Cellphone Banking PIN?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk through the process of resetting your Capitec Cellphone Banking PIN. It's a simple process that ensures you can continue to use your banking services securely and conveniently.
What do I need to reset my Capitec Cellphone Banking PIN?
To reset your Capitec Cellphone Banking PIN, you will need the following: your mobile phone registered with your Capitec account, your bank card associated with your Capitec Bank account, access to a Capitec ATM or a branch.
How to reset the PIN via ATM?
1. Insert your Capitec Bank card into the ATM, enter your card PIN, and select the option for More Options or Other Services. 2. Find the option that says Mobile Banking. 3. Select Reset PIN, and follow the prompts to reset your cell phone banking PIN.
How to reset the PIN at a Capitec Bank branch?
1. Go to your nearest Capitec Bank branch during working hours. 2. Approach a bank consultant and inform them that you'd like to reset your cell phone banking PIN. 3. They will guide you through the process. Make sure to have your bank card and identification ready. And that's how you can reset your Capitec Cellphone Banking PIN. Remember, it's crucial to keep your banking PIN secure and to change it if you suspect it may have been compromised. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay safe and happy banking.